this quick video, we're going to show you how to install the Vision-Link onto your Z-Link welding or grinding respirator. I'm showing it to you in this video with the shoulder cape, but it attaches the same way on either the tie-chem or the neck seal or face seal options. First, we need to undo the screw that holds the small bracket in place that covers the attachment point for the Vision-Link. Flipping the helmet onto its side and opening up the shroud will reveal that screw. You can then grab a screwdriver and loosen that screw until that small clip comes out. With that screw now removed, the little cover comes off. You can then take your Vision-Link, first of all making sure that the correct attachment is installed. Then you can install the attachment by pressing it into the locator and then reinstalling the screw on the inside of the Z-Link. And that is how to attach the Vision-Link to the Z-Link respirator.